Welcome back to Tonghash channel. In this video, I will show you how to make attendance list in Google Sheets just by using your iPhone. First, start by making a table for attendance for like 10 participants in 6 days agenda. So I will make 11 rows and 9 columns. Don't forget to create border by clicking here and then here for full border. Next, on the top row of the table, I will type name. And the next 6 cells beside this will be the date. So for B2 to G2, I will change the formatting. Just click here and then click on cell and then search for number format and then search for date and then you click on date. And then you can just type the date of your agenda from day 1 to day 6. For example, here I'm starting from September 4th until September 9th. And I'll just use autofill, just select the cells and then click autofill to fill the cells automatically. And this cell is for total attendance of each participant and this one is for the percentage of attendance. And next, I will fill the name of the participant. For example, here I'm just going to name it name 1, name 2, and so on. I'm just using autofill here. And next, we're filling the attendance. When they show up, I will type in 1 in each date, but if they don't show up, I will just type in 0. And I'm going to speed up the process here, guys. Next, for the total presents, I will just type in the formula, which is sum from B3 to G3. You just need to follow the formula here, guys. And after that, you just click enter and then we can do the autofill to fill in the next row. After that, we're filling in the percentage here. Change the format of the cell first by selecting the cells and then click on here and then click cell and click for percentage over here. And then type in the equations. The formula would be total attendance divided by 6 because 6 is the total number of days in the agenda. And then just autofill. And then you will have the percentage of attendance for each participant. Alright. And that's how I make attendance list for my 6 days agenda with 10 participants in Google Sheets just by using my iPhone. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions or if you have something to share about this, just drop your thoughts in the comment section and I will try to respond to it. And if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and I will see you. Bye bye.